what's going on again, guys? So, First Class V here, back with another GCSS help video. And today we are in part 11 of our Access Administrative series with maintaining personnel data. So if you go back to the previous video, I showed you how to display. In this video, we're going to show you how to change. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into GCSS-Army. Now, the T code we're working in is actually PA30, but you can get to it from the assignment workbench. So you're in GCSS-Army where it says personnel, you can go to maintain personnel. Okay, so if you haven't had a chance to watch my previous videos, I teach you guys how to search by social security number and DoD ID. If not, like I said, you can go here, you can click by, you can search by last name, first name, or do a dynamic search, and you can organizational assignment and so forth. Okay, so you're able to find the personnel. So if you look here, you got create, change, display, all right, or you can delete. All right, so I'm actually going to go in here and change some of my personal features because some of my personal features are not correct. So all you're going to do for this is you're going to highlight whether you're changing or creating. So I'm changing. So my weight is wrong. So all I'm going to do is type in my weight and I'm going to hit save. All right, you'll get a message sometime saying record change or previous record was deleted. You're okay. All right, so like I said, there's a lot you can do from here. Just keep in mind when you're adding email addresses, it's either dfast.mil, mail.mil, or us.army.mil. Okay, so when you go to the communications tab, you can change or create. So I'm going to create, and I'm going to put my cell phone number in here. All right, and all you're going to do cell phone number, you're going to hit save. So when you go back and you display your communications tab, yeah, what in the world? The communications will all be right here. So like I said, communications, you can add your email, you can add your phone number, so forth. Personnel data, you can go to your personnel data and you can change certain things, you know, last name, first name. So if a person gets married or they go back to their maiden name, you can change it right from here. Okay. Then of course, you know, you can change the gender as well, whether it be female, male, or undeclared. You can change it all right there. Any nicknames or anything you want to add, you can do this. Right? Go back. Reference personnel numbers. So you can go to create, and you can actually build different personnel numbers and such forth in that, which is really cool. Is you can operator equipment usage, right? So day since last violation, right? So you can put a number in here and so forth. All right, reason dispatch posting. So this is important when you're trying to look at personnel for drivers, mechanic badges, and so forth. You can get the total amount of wheels and the last incident. So it's pretty helpful. So any specifications, you know, deployments and stuff like that, you can put in here as well. All right. So hope this video was helpful. Like I said, this was just a overview on how to make some changes inside of this T code. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to be going into part 12 of our series, which is maintain labor related personnel. But as always, go ordnance, and I'll see you soon.